Now we are going to do in mathematics like all the basics formula, all the basic formulas, like basically student doesn't know about it, and this is very basics formula what we have to know for algebra. The first formula what we know is a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab, right? Second formula what we know, a minus b whole square is a square, right? Then plus b square minus 2ab. The third one we have to know is very popular and very useful for factorization, that is a minus b and a plus b. The fourth formula just parallel to this only and is similar, and this up formula is going to implement in the second one, that is we have to apply like a square minus b square and a square plus b square. As you know, like from the third here, a square minus b square is equal to a minus b and a plus b, so we are going to apply here. So this is going to change now, a minus b and a plus b, then a square plus b square. After this all just you already have done how to do a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, then a square minus b square, then a power 4 minus b power 4. Similarly we are going to do like a cube plus b cube. This is very important in factorization for university level courses, even for 10 plus 2 level, even for a IB, whatever you are doing the courses, this formula is very important. So a plus b, then a square minus ab plus b square. Then sixth formula similar, a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b, then a square plus ab plus b square. Then what is the implementation of that? Suppose I told to find a power 6 minus b power 6. So we will apply here first a cube whole square, because we know 3 2s are 6, so power is here. Then b power 3 whole square. So basically is going to change into a cube minus b cube, and then a cube plus b cube. So according to rule we are going to apply here with the help of formula number 5, and with the help of formula number 6 we are going to write here one by one. So a cube minus b cube is going to change for a minus b, then a square plus ab plus b square dot a plus b, then a square minus ab plus b square. Now after that how to do formula number 8, that is a plus b whole cube. So this we have to apply a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b, so it's going to be a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square, right? Now similarly ninth formula, a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab. This is a very easy version to memorize the formula, that is a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b, and minus is plus, so 3ab square. These all formulas are very important. Suppose I give a question, for example, how to use this formula. Suppose 2x minus 3, and I told to so many kids do 3 times multiplication. That is what 2x minus 3 dot 2x minus 3 dot 2x minus 3. That takes a lot of time, but if you are going to apply straight formula here, formula number 9, then you will be get here 2x whole cube, then minus 3 whole cube, then minus 3 into 2x dot 3 bracket 2x minus 3. So finally we are going to get here 8x cube minus 27 minus 3 to 6 3 18 18 to 36, right? So 3 2 6 6 3 18 18 to 36, x into x is x square, right? Then this negative and negative is positive here. 3 2 6 6 3 18 18 18 3 is a 54x. So this is just taking a very less time in compared to opening this 3 times. That is the application or use of the formula. That's why we have to know all algebraic formula in sense of the factorization. Thank you so much. Bye.